Gases exchange MCQs, chapter 13. MCQs number 1. Respiration is directly involved in the production of energy necessary for all living activities. The correct option is option B. Cellular respiration is directly involved. MCQs number 2. Which respiration is process by which cell utilize oxygen and produce carbon dioxide? The correct option is option A. Cellular respiration. MCQs number 2. Of following which one is wet respiratory medium? Air is correct option. MCQs number 4. Oxygen content per liter of air is 200 ml. MCQs number 5. Water is times viscous than air. 50 times viscous than air. MCQs number 6. There are stomata per square centimeter of leaf surface in tobacco plants. The correct option is option B. 12,000 stomata. MCQs number 7. The air spaces may comprise up to of the following total volume of leaf surface. The correct option is option C. 40% of the total volume. MCQs number 8. The glycolate produced diffuses into membrane bonded organisms called peroxisomes. MCQs number 9. The active site of Rubisco is involved to bind both of these, carbon dioxide and oxygen. MCQs number 10. Number of sparkles present in cockroach is 20. MCQs number 11. Number of sparkles present in throats of cockroach is 4. MCQs number 12. When abdomen expands, the number of sparkles open is 8. MCQs number 13. The blood enters the side of heart. Posterior sides of heart. 14. Gases exchange through skin is known as respiration. Cutaneous is correct option. MCQs number 15. Parabronchi are open at end. Tooth end. In most birds, air sacs are in numbers. 9 numbers. MCQs number 17. Vocal cords are stretched across glottis. MCQs number 18. Functional unit of lungs are called air sacs. Lungs are spongy due to presence of millions of alveoli. MCQs number 20. Lungs are covered with a double-layered thin membranous sac called pleura. MCQs number 21. During the rest, breathing occurs rhythmically at frequency of times per minute in human. Correct option is option B. 15 to 20. MCQs number 22. The maximum amount of oxygen which normal human blood absorbs and carried at sea level is per 10 ml of blood. The correct option is option B. 20 ml. MCQs number 23. Hemoglobin can be almost completely oxygenated by an oxygen presence of mercury. Correct option is option D, 100 mm. 24. The important factor which affect the capacity of hemoglobin in combined with oxygen is all of these is correct option: temperature, carbon dioxide, and pH. MCQs number 25. The increase in pH of blood has effect on the oxygen carried capacity of hemoglobin. The correct option is option A, plus VE is correct option for this. (26) The percentage of carbon dioxide carried out as a carboxyhemoglobin is 20%. Arterial blood is contain carbon dioxide per 100 ml of blood. The correct option is option D, 50 ml. More than compounds of tar of tobacco smoke are involved in cause cancer. Correct option is option D, 10. 29. A disease of lungs in which inside of lungs is damaged resulting in cough and fever is correct option C, emphysema. 30 of following which is a contagious disease? Tuberculosis. MCQs number 31. Which of the following is promote growth in plants? Calvin cycle. 32. Which of the following animals has respiratory system with one way of flow of air through the lungs and air is renewed after inspiration? Correct option is option C, aves. 33. The voice box is another name used for buccal cavity, pharynx, larynx, or chest cavity. The correct option is option C. It is also called larynx. MCQs number 34. All of the following contain cartilage except larynx, trachea, bronchioles. The correct option is option D. MCQs number 35. Respiratory diseases syndrome is common especially for infant with a less than 7 month.